today to talk about one of our Facebook post programs that we've been doing for quite a while now, the weekly recipe swap. This is where every month we've got a different theme on recipes, and on our Facebook page, it shows the recipe, the preparations, so you can, try some new things and get creative in the kitchen, put your own twist on some things. For the month of June, the theme is appetizers and dips, and I'm gonna show you today one of my favorite dips. It kind of puts me in a Floridian mood, which is, what I like to think about in the summer, the beach and seafood and sun. I'm going to make a crab and artichoke dip today, a hot dip. It's really delicious, it's really easy. So let's get it going here for you. The first thing we're going to need is 2 ounces of cream cheese. I've got some of these things on my plate already. On the cream cheese blocks, they're marked off in ounces, so you'll be able to easily just chop off your 2 ounces there. I need a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Duke's is my go-to mayonnaise. If you are from the South, if you are not, I would try Duke's, I would. 1/4 cup, I'm eyeballing this, I'm pretty good with eyeballing. 1/4 cup Duke's mayonnaise, the very best. We've got 2 chopped scallions here, which is about 3 tablespoons. Pop those in the bowl. Some Old Bay seasoning. I don't have Old Bay. I'm just gonna use some Cajun seasoning today. Perfectly fine to just swap it out for that. This calls for 3/4 teaspoon. Once again, I'm just gonna eyeball that. Perfect. 3/4 teaspoon also of Worcestershire. I like Lee & Perrins. I think it's the best. You use whatever you have on hand. What is nice about this recipe is this is a lot of just pantry ingredients. You will have to pick up a couple of jars of things, but a lot of this stuff is probably hanging out in your fridge and freezer already. So why not make use of it and make a really delicious dip for company that's coming over or just for yourself. Splash of hot sauce if you want, that is optional. I like heat, so I'm gonna add some. 1 teaspoon of lemon zest and then the juice of a lemon. This is a lemon zester, well, citrus zester, you can use it to zest other things. Really fine little, very sharp teeth here. And what you wanna do is just lightly run your lemon around this to get all of that nice zest into the bowl. You don't wanna go too deep. You don't wanna get the white part, which is called the pith. That is very bitter, not a good taste at all. So we just want that beautiful zest in there. Oh, it smells so good. Lemon is so good in so many things. Then I'm just gonna cut this little guy in half here. Take out some of these seeds that I see. Yes, squeeze that lemon on in there. Oh, this is such a vacation type of recipe, honestly. Thought I dropped a little seed in there, but no, good, I didn't. 1/2 cup of finely chopped artichoke hearts. I use these, just right out of the can here. You just drain them and then chop them small. Pop those in your bowl. Calls for 4 ounces of lump crab meat. This is a 6-ounce can. Drain it really well, like you would if you were making a tuna salad. Because I don't have use for the other 2 ounces, I'm just gonna add the whole thing in, okay? I don't think more crab is gonna make this any less delicious. It's gonna make it more delicious, okay? Put the crab in there. Then we wanna put about 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese, which is about exactly what I've got left in this bag here, so that is perfect. And about 3/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Good handful. That is perfect. Give this all a stir to combine. While you're doing this, you'll want to be preheating your oven on 350. So when you've got all this combined, you can put it right here into your baking dish and pop it right in the oven. This would be really nice to sit out on your patio with maybe a glass of wine, maybe a glass of white wine, have some crackers on the side or some, some nice vegetables that you like on the side. or some iced tea or lemonade, whatever you like. But it's really a delicious, delicious dip for the summertime. So you can see here, everything's combined. I've got it in my baking dish. I am going to pop this into my oven, which is, like I said, has been set to 350. We're gonna bake 20, 25 minutes or so. I'll be taking a look at it here and there just to make sure it doesn't get too brown. But really, you know, everything here is cooked. There's nothing raw in this dish. You just want it to get hot and bubbly. Then we'll take it out and I'll show you how to serve it up with some beautiful crackers. See you soon. Hi everybody, we're back. Our dip has been baked, as you can see here. It's still a little warm. This really looks and smells like vacation. I'm excited for this. I did sprinkle a little bit more of that Cajun seasoning over the top when it came out, just to give it a little color on top. It looks great. You can use any type of crackers, bread, vegetables, whatever you want to go with this dip. I like the trio crackers, especially for entertaining, because you get 3 different types of crackers in one box. So, you know, you get the nice wheat crackers, classic water crackers, and then, well, these are in a baggie because I already opened them, but my favorite cracker, which is the butterfly butter cracker. So let's give this a little taste. It smells really good. Really does seem like you're on vacation. That lemon really pops in this. That's wonderful. I hope you guys try this recipe at home. Also, be on the lookout every week for the recipe swap posts on Lane Library's Facebook page. You will see me again next month for a video. I believe the topic in July is grilling, so we'll do some grilling then. Happy summer, guys. Enjoy. I hope you try this out. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.